Eddie and Badwam Mpensenpensemu so on Badwam or Adom TV. Make us go so share live or Facebook or share live on so YouTube. So after being share or Go TV channel 119 at DSTV channel 280 so over to me share and so on my video for atras for the second same and come Franco Trading Enterprise. We come say phone papa na himfie na Joshua any ehonum Franco de ne niema nyina ye fine ne niema ye fine papa on fact sa tipo sa dio basa no Franco niema bia be kona Joshua bia wotom bia otim say niema eye papa e be che e di amount na ne e de won cry say osan so e wo niema ne bo no e wo fom ne niema na wo no ne bo no sa wo fom kra e de mo to obi okọ Franco bia no ne ne kra na so betimi ato be ko no ato be semienu because the papa no to ne bo esa e wo fom e say ye iPhone say ye Samsung say ye Nokia and put a smart TV na pe 32 to 65 inches na wo pe say tabletop fridges na wo pe dia na wo pe wo Franco awonsa entimi enka de o mi yesem se na sen yisi fo ani age abre mutwetwamafo enka dem eti ne obe nyina ene se air conditioner o yusu o dem bonum etwe enka ne bebre atwe sesi yi tu na kope Franco air conditioner bi efa board dem eye kama se ebe ma dem wonum achele e ho be yenwuno but ebe twe enka ne aketuwe bi Franco air conditioner no hwe Franco e won kan tema kuma se miam ya wodo bi abekobia from e wo 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 Franco Trading Enterprise was still phone papa efie and one Safari tissue and so in the be makacho say COVID-19 ya abanti and obi agya handkerchief using no obi ade adwuma eye tissue say na be ya wi abetimi ato atwe na nkofo yade ansa fama ho that tissue nyene nyina na papa ebu wa me po no say kakram na tutu ade akawanem Safari tissue emu edu o de po no betimi tsa evi frɛ ye pa obi o de Safari tissue edudwuma enkanka choba operators be catch say customers no energy is so the power epepa bibia yi eyi enkwan bia e de frunsa Safari tissue no pebito na emwam richoko ya kase koko enie enaja ye no mu a richoko de se wonte wasma na fe nem se bia obepie Ghana we akwada fe da wote richoko a anonom de kama bi eri eti wo ye mamu atutim ze ekwa no tim ze wanum koko pa richoko kama anopai pebi na wo bo efagu bo ba ne ko school a ye ma no emfa enko school for some person ye anopati kakra de man koda na richoko de kamfo de ma wo zest consult enso de wo ye sua na person ko sua ade o se per scholarship akọ UK US akọ sua ade se ye IELTS S8 na fa area zest consult and amekamfo o makachi ede amount isa so mo na betimi aboa amo watimi nya ene mapa e wodi sua kwa kosua e wa amanonim ene watimi aboa Ghana de over best 2000 e sua de e wo UK ene USA from 0555 631 633 0555 631 633 o efie na wo ton ana wo pefie so aton a frɛ sa na ba wo sie o meboa so me ko na so yasene eme yede Mpensenpensemu dwumadie eto aso de amamanfa a very good morning enko emfama Queen Mother yo wo denchira nana hima Sara ayensua nana kwasere ena mpanfo edi akwaside ewo dwunkwa ahemfie nana onkwaso nyame enhyiraw nyame onyo kese o ma wonyini ewo mfie ene ahoden prompromye emu wahemfo umma wade hye nyina ase ye ma wotri enkwa Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo Eastern Regional Chairman de ma NDC amayoko sanso ena Davis ansa opoku NPP machine bi ma de hye a one prior so in the Eastern region they about Eastern affairs Dr. Bokode
enya Shayache.
Bibia very fine. Yamiti ase. Constituency it's a region to say.
Oh, Bibia Boko region no go so aye to yanema.
Okay. Go so aye to yanema. 13th no constituency say na entimi to abani bi.
Abato be koso bebia but there are places that parliamentary no.
Okay.
We are holding on kakra.
Okay.
Baby to say Ayinsuano, baby to say Kwetia. Baby to say Lower West Achim.
Okay.
And baby to say Afram Plain South. Okay. You are holding on kakra for one reason or the other. Okay. But niakani nyina you better about her, better both presidential and the parliamentary. No?
Okay. Eti CAA they go first letter free general secretary oba say oma window be say omo fanko CCA. So CCA we na some constituents be na come count the first letter no ma ba count from end to 13th May. Are possible say as regional chairman challenges be wa ma constituencies be a film wait me resolve.
Me need this say within the next 2 weeks, you know. A bit me abaswa mama to abano. And until a final letter, there's a final letter.
Sure.
That was signed by Deputy General Secretary. So that is the final letter. Okay. Abano. Okay. And this is even one of the most successful primaries I hear. This is the first time. This is the first time. It me I hear Dodosa at a good 29 out of 33. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Last 4 years. Yeah. You know, in 3 phases. Yeah. First, my first 15, and yeah, the next 8 or 9, and I kind of twice. Okay. But to be able to do 29 at a go, no, major success. I mean, it is an improvement over the past. I have 4 constituencies. Me did say ni here. Very part of the next batch. Okay.
Any issue, honum?
Any issue a broso. Some are for strategic reasons. You need to wait and see what your opponent is also doing. So what you say? City be where you have your opponent. Okay. So what you say? So you don't treat it as an ordinary NDC seat. Number 1. An ordinary, I mean, would so what you say? But you don't treat it as an ordinary seat. Ubia contest na your contest ni we winning enko. You may create further divisions and further problems. Okay. It will be open amaya kofa form amaya to abano kra. There are certain fundamental issues also resolve we.
What person we impose candidate be war constituencies ni be so na?
No. Imposition they say a tremo. There's say it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen that way. You be open nomination. But be anywhere, you be say you open nomination. Nominations will be opened. You open nomination. Wow, a confirm myself or by support to party. No. You be more kwan. Amwaba. Na ya party no branch of honor to swaba. You move it away from you budin say we nkojina ha na ache. You know, and your party ni mo no NDC party and your party the padodo etro madwen pa. Okay. E wo mamu ha say. Okay. Every polling station I friend a branch no. The pa 9999 and etro madwen. Okay. Or the compare omo ben MPP for na. Okay. Nipa 5555. Let's say then they are trim at the constituency level. Nipa 28. And I you esa omo so nchro madwen. Or the compare you no 17. It in terms of expansion of the decision making, you know. Okay. NDC, ye biem pay. It any party obi bega say ye do baby ye do obi bega say chenchena you do be show be so say ono na onyina. So
it is strategy benko.
That will not happen.
Strategy benko na
party no nim nia. Yeah. We need to keep the seat ye one. And to keep the seat ye one, we need a united front. You need your structures to be very, very grounded. And sana, why once you have kept your seat now, okay, then you will need other seats and so on. Free opponents. Okay. Those ones to go in with a different strategy. You don't treat all constituencies as equal. Constituencies in any pet. Sure. The dynamics are different for every constituency. Okay. It will confer general rule apply to every constituency. Say, you may end up having issues in some of the constituencies. I want to sit award that one will be lose. Okay. Yeah. Dr. Mark Oliver Kevoye, Eastern Regional Chairman of the NDC, Manyuku, and Chair OPK Bejonia for the discussion. What I say Eastern Region there, you can't wanna or move through Makessia partner on Macha Ukan Ebe. Before I call your main topics, St. Michael Senior High School. Mo party about power. Since 2008, we have Mpendada for a CDC one. Dear na my difficult say to me every ma disua for nya baby akotena de asua de ko no amne school penfo bi din ko na stay e ka che sem kwada we da so tena wiase e na chiro mo de wa ye wo project kese e ho no Yeah. Say obisa omo ya oye further interrogation and come back say abra omampani kufo ehase no.
Okay.
Crown na at a three classroom blocker itima a friend saying and kind of say JSS for a primary school for.
Okay.
So what I say. And it was a good start because a whole area no this Afosua Brim Secondary School. And no na a secondary school and a okay. Yes, sir. This a bank and now for Bepono. And sana school kwala secondary school. Those who don't want to go far. These are the secondary schools are not available. So it was a good addition to the number of secondary schools are now and Smith, because we call secondary school. So I know and I've taught in Kountine. I know about that secondary school. Ebra, Omampeni for at the core secondary school core 4 years. No bekaya.
Yeah.
Ena Omampeni Professor Mills Ebesum. And quickly you can say a crash program. Now secondary schools don't know what you know. Omo emfa facilities ni be encounter. And you know, so Smith was a beneficiary. And this abai, the day classrooms ni be a can and no one it no sabe abandoned projects. A woman has it. Ya kasi ye di hon komo.
Yeah.
Titru ne wa mantam. Ya kasi ye biem ne di hon komo. Ebi a Smith na makwakwaku.
Yeah.
But there are several other abandoned projects. It is not just even secondary. Community day secondary schools are now Omampeni John Dramani Mahama. Sintiaka. Okay. The war hono cry. Okay,
so Professor John Evans Atamus John Dramani Mahama, 8 years. Dear Namoya was Smith School. No?
I cannot specifically because they are the tables. You know, but I'm aware. Some classroom blocks were added.
Okay.
Yes, were added. That I'm aware of. And when we say the immediate past regional minister na or Eastern region, maybe some from Pong.
Yeah.
That is the constituency no. Ehona ofi ono ofrafosu and akwase nyina brim north.
Okay.
And I know for a fact say adwuma ekoso hosa.
Okay.
And enya won kwa like I was saying. Even a whole technical training college. Minimum so on say draw for na fa wan ko eho dia. A whole technical training college grounds or Omampeni John Dramani Mahama esi wo afusuo and also abandoned. Operation Vanguard for and the demo omo dia hostel and Operation Vanguard for a demo. That's a whole technical training college. Ya de tete a teacher for omo be kire ye ma omo call technical and vocational ade. It would have been the second in Ghana. But basically free 2016 MPP e winning ya Omampeni Akufo-Addo ebetena so no.
Okay.
It has been abandoned. So what I say. So that is the extent of Nyama Akoso Ghana has a titru appointment come.
Okay. What's it? Sinti ehwem say enche OPK ebejo. Wait me the comments ejai ewo on Facebook ni akenkan edema. That champacho stand by. TUC Secretary General tape no F-mam ne be say enkomodena say everyone say TUC Secretary General tape no aye ready dia yentiasma no de tudwa ewo Mayday jumede na se de beto ankomode ne so.
Government can lead us out of this crisis, and the government can do so by cutting expenditure on non-essentials, including the need to stop spending our hard-earned revenue on a national cathedral. Let me say this again. We believe that government can lead us out of this crisis by cutting all non-essential expenditures, including the need to stop spending our hard-earned revenue on the national cathedral. I'm sure the president will have something to say about this. The president has always said he wants to create another Notre Dame in Ghana so he can attract a lot of visitors. But we disagree. In fact, comrades, it will be better to convert the project into a national hospital. Mr. President, you can also reduce the size of your government.
Okay, and Dr. Yauba, Secretary General Edema TUC, Equatorial made media course Ewo Boga Tanga in the Upper East region. And what is what to just say? President should convert National Cathedral to a national hospital. Okay, what are you arguing?
Well, so when me did say NDC aban ba NDC aban be.
NDC be converting National Cathedral to national hospital.
Yes. Because sabe ye to aban you say we aban. You represent the aspirations of the people. So what you say nia the padodo no epe no. That is what we aban no or hwe no why. And sabe cathedral say me ya di ho nkomo edi ho nkomo bebre. Actually mu akase baby a omampani eka because wo hwa a friend saying na TUC penny no or the Notre Dame ewo France no example. And almost 182 years any see. And your mampani be one term. Notre Dame no. It took them 182 years and this year. Okos Pena, there's a cathedral, Omo AC Sagrada Familia. A 138 years, Omgususi. 138 years. Omgusua Omo AC. You know, 18 you may have the vision. But oh sorry, Enkukuru close to over $300 million. And fan konkutu asase ese usi cathedral. Meanwhile, on mine yesi ye kwa IMF, ye kwa 3 billion. Na IMF on omo tekwembo se sika o wona na se sika wunya no. Say na o spend na cathedral. Would you say omo benya kukuduro no anaso benya ahofama no e de sika na ma. Minya, we share your health system. And I'm told, as I'll come by to say, Cape Coast Regional Hospital.
Yeah.
On my ICU. 5 beds. A pen or ICU.
Intensive care unit.
Intensive care unit, 5 beds.
Cape Coast Regional
Cape
Hospital.
Coast Regional is supposed to be a regional hospital. And yet, this hospital, regional hospital. In ICU no 5 beds and all 5 beds now on ventilators 5 and na ebobon say baku bia supposed to only one for a very long time only one and a ejuma only one
ventilators 5 ne cater for 5 beds
no
one pen
and a ejuma
ejenya 2 critical issues are
baku. That is how we value the Ghanaian life. And you know, if we still continue a conversation about whether we should build a cathedral or not, as on minor your priorities. As on minor, your priorities. If we continue, as I you take national TV, national radio, so discuss it. As I young close to $1 billion. Now you fancy cathedral. As on minor crano, you
God first.
This is a regional hospital. Onyankopon wa man adwen. Onyankopon no wa man adwen. E no wa kire ne enye. On kasa yenkosi edan ma no. Wa breko a no kasa ne nkrofo na on be som no no. Omo yare a omo nya ayare hwepa. God onyankopon minim asori a wokomum. Ba minim asori ne nyankopon a obeka se mu bewu kura munwu. Na munsi asɔre dan a ɔno nyankopɔn nim sɛ ɔntra sa asɔre
ye betume du pepe so say ye be si hospital or Ghana nyina ansa na etime ye bibi ati say
but ahini yesi that is the question ahini yesi it is not like you drew threshold bia ye beka say oh your health care system no
okay
you know optimal we haven't even gotten there oh almost started agenda 111
yeah
sa sika ma pumping into cathedral and no more share agenda 111 aka several districts were where by this time ye dey apaso etwetwe mo ye bi hospitals yes it abai no sebe or how are you woman no enye ne dadwen sebe TUC foi o ka say TUC penyon kwa sorry
yeah
o ka so nkwa sorry ene adwumayfo na no mo boje ne so no obo so no wo say de adwumayfo no boje ne so you think omunye a Christopher ana omunyina ya Christopher omo sorry anopa omo bom pa edu kwese da omo kwa sorry but they know eso onyankopon so amaye nimdie amaye adwen esa yemfa mwane yemfa chekere yeman no and that is the reason why at a critical moment like this you need to set your priorities right sabe babia homo eye cathedral no sabe aban ba ye na o say sa wonim say initially no na ban nim say o ka so no ade aban ni sika ewura mu a
yeah
wan hwa Ghana for do no e be ka so mu nyintu
okay
eto ba ye na also woni nyankopon akwapam ese so nyankopon ma obeyo mampani a obesi asore dan kese de ahye na lonyam the first time we bisa mampani no that was the response rationalization omo rationalize cathedral no o ka say e yon wan kasa the personal promise
okay
over time one nationalize sa individual promise na say Ghana fo nyina yenka mom na yensi asofo Adom gu ano na obi so mom so yes a Christian community no e no ma so mampani anisuade hu no etu omo ankasa ebesi eti yehwe ye na ka makwakoje asase bi wo baabi na ye Christopher na ye wo gidie wo mu se e fata se ye besi National Cathedral no na ye nyina na ye tua na kakra na ka ye disi a obi ani ho a obeka ho asem
okay
but ye ntoboa taxpayers money a ye die si ajaje for dan e wo prime area na yakwakodwiri ni nagu besi na ebigusu ne wo court omo a on private enye ajaje for private individuals a omo nsase no omo properties ekekaye no ebi ene aban e wo court omo transi betua judgment debt and their mom after that taxes are ya jene kakra no finance minister na kasa etimi kasa munyi sika we na monfama David Ajay company architect on fan draw so cathedral and honey money ade etino eye on mine sika and afedie aban na ode she cathedral no
okay
eno ne truck ese a sebe ye didua asa cathedral we na okazo nyankopon obehia so amana akọ from etimi anyame nwanwa esa fe dru ba bi na aye huntan horan animu nna ho ema trustees na kasa ebehu se ade no the way animu nna ho na ebi mo trustees ni bi esesa omudin na mo akasa mo ho esa yama friends cathedral no secretariat ni loan yasaje ade na ye nwonran no omuhu se nimguase ba no na sofo no penifo na ewu mu na sebe oma bom braji omudin a ensese cathedral no go manimu ase no e ba bonte be ka se da bi yentwentwen so ansa etinu menua sebe ye wo enema bebre ho kwan but enye ni nyina na efata
okay
so mampani ene onyankopon ekọ apam a eye ono ne personal apam a koy
okay but a honum no ya na be mun so raise concerns it was the vision of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo say obeye free senior high school. It was the vision of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo say obeye agenda 111 here near a personal vision you're the air driver so obeye one district one factory. So how different will it be from National Cathedral and say or the okutane personal vision so be agenda 111 no buy or the man sika na ya how different will it be so say okutane personal vision so be see a cathedral and as sorry that the banyame near the man sika and a
ama so on case o see ama Ghana for
over me say no on news work can say
meba
I'll be see am na be ye on non personal property
meba be see the crowd omo ye a friend saying signatories
okay
the company in the crowd
yeah
crowd be crowd ni yenimum whether a year on mine there and as a private company crowd be see ne enimu na ho because a year registered in the name a year friends a company certificate registered in the name of certain individuals
yeah
and you binding that's
who are not government officials it is here ka say nipa national cathedral kwa ye yenim
national cathedral na ye see dey o man sika is no ne dey anokra yenim. That is the difference. So you can't compare a non near or minor constitution because or minor constitution a show as over by your mampenia on council ngubo.
Yeah.
So to say,
okay.
On council ngubo. I was a year a juba. Free senior high school and you'll be a personal vision.
Okay.
Free senior high school and you'll be personal vision. A collective vision of Omwa. Fourth Republic, yeah, omo constitution, no, almost share. But Obia ne kwan obefa so a obe arrival at that vision.
Okay.
And I would wo e kwan e bae. And okwepo ebe dane friends saying abeya de foforo. Say ye free pass, free SHS, edin da so. Oka ukohia wofo na no mo ka mo so mo kasem foforo kra.
Say enye free sa ne abayame ate ase na
yes omo kana sem foforo kra eti free di dey free ni da so
okay
but omo ka sem foforo eti you can compare sa ne o minor show kete se ye tuatua tax afaye
okay
ene ne a wo se woni o nyankopon akwapam ese wo beye e de ama no you can compare the two
na se ne wo kan wo fie bi sa hwe a si national cathedral here and ko betimi acclaim from Oman that's why said Oman sika na ewremu aye bebre no
that is a risk and these are questions ye bisa wo at enkomo eminu de enya enkomo foforo and this ye press conference pen abisa all these questions I said national cathedral no ownership no e public and as a private so ukọ a friend saying nyaya mama examples to say Notre Dame now they will tell you that this is a public funded friends project publicly owned. Publicly owned. St. Peter's Basilica, privately funded and privately owned.
Okay.
So what I say, Ghana there now, Omampeni, Nana Akufo-Addo so osi no. Dien. Uko Washington there mixed funding. Into both public and private.
Okay.
Amount for shares even though a buy no so shares So what I say?
Okay.
Ghana there no dien
a PPP and say public and not private.
Public and not private and I say a PPP said okay mixed a hybrid. Because in certain so bigum.
Yeah.
So what I say? And I buy no so tax the room. What is the nature
of the ownership?
No. Basically, I want to mean and clarify. So what I say, and legally, no question, normally register, na.
Okay.
And you conform na edin, na individual, private individuals din in the womb. So what I say, to say ABI Parliament, yes, Ghana Parliament House. Now, obekwa and krata mu no na Ghana Parliament House, ebusu bi din na e sha say omo na eyomodia. You know, so these are all enyama na efa cathedral no ho a uko bisapa say we bonsamba wo de antichrist wo de won pese ye ade we aya na owo edibia or tell you sambalat there Tobias mo pese ye be ya ade amanyankopon enia. These are critical questions that na e surround national cathedral na besi na omuntimi enyi ho.
Okay, so for now there what we pese aba betimi a kire say National Cathedral no.
So for now, don't so hold you on.
Yeah,
on mind there.
Okay.
Yes, basically no ownership.
On mind there na say on mine and krankra and I say krankra you man on mine support.
Basically the ownership no shrouded in controversy. the ownership no
okay
shrouded in controversy besi ne omuntimi clarify ese
then you say MPC boayen
and national cathedral na parliament
and I'm say members need me e boy call for the registration document na what national cathedral ho nyina no na etimi ehunu say ye PPP a o manager fa say na wom ankra che fa say na wom ankra na ye hwan mo.
These are critical questions sir ye bisa Samuel to Black honorable MP for North Tongu.
Yeah.
Most of the follow most of we were bizarre questions when you now be brave. You know, but the moment we start side debate no. Now I'm for turning into a religious debate. Whether you are for sorry and I say you are not, then they simplify the issue. No
critical issue no one in this.
These are all critical issues. Eseka o mining nyina ye ne mon central phone nyina ye bisa. Ni ye bisa say okay, project basic na kura bisa say project kura ahen ye di bisia. What is the cost of it kura basic ne obi anim. Omu ane de sika kwakobo o mining sika mu na omo de akohyem. Omu a ne akwankwan kura bi ho o hebo cathedral no besia ye nya sika ye de be ma no makwakwakwaje. Now, ho de bomb ho besia.
Yes, I want to dangerous.
Yes, because basically, how much are you spending? How much is coming from the state? How much is coming from individuals? On my imagine say ABA on person shares.
Okay. Because so if no bob busiano. So bob busiano ena aban entimi entwia. Ena be ye car. Ena aban for buy no cars national cathedral on tears into entwia. Can this be judgment that adaba?
Bet with their court. Obetimi dia court enti no menia kwan omofa so eya there because akoye asore sem ene ade enti no omunim omo de blackmail Ghanaians omunim say o kan bebre a na ya koye say okra wonya nyam so
onta ompanyame
o de ompanya
okay jene de aban moye so now government ministry be na ye in charge of national cathedral.
I think some of the chieftaincy and religious affairs.
So now chieftaincy religious affairs no who am na register national cathedral no
critical questions.
Government shares say ena ewumu.
Yes.
Shares na ye ne ankrankra no ekọ no. Say ne ankrankra na ekọ.
Sorry na almost contribute no. Are they contributing it as say omo de
donation omo de
chap and say shares na
omo omo abeje
obewom that because they intend to commercialize the place.
Sure,
so they say omo imagine some commercialize. They be our company kasa or say the visitors beba amanfo ba behwe tourists beba ombe jom sika almost see a Garden of Eden amanfo be kohwem aduane a Israel fo ni di ye no ombe toma na kura gu ho amama sesa mana na no adi oh no utie said you more rationalize it
na wadwen na kwesi
na aduane ben na Israel for in ben you know these are the issues are omo kan and the conversation for say omo nyintum
oba benyama na di o
ombe toma na so tie say mana no say na tio go mana no kra Bible mu no say yenya togu ho a when ni sada na it say so tie say but omo create impression say bibi bia wo Bible mu no benya bi wo sa cathedral.
Okay.
So what you say? Enti na betwe ahoho amoma ba ama oman na enya sika fim. Sa sika na oman be your mine sika na sa omo so do sika ehye mu. Omo so benya mfaso. Na so omo ayo register as a cathedral na your omo de ano.
Okay.
Omo de benya sa mfaso na na. These are issues right from the beginning anya clear.
So okay, but ebetimi so aba say oman so ankrankra dey no oman support.
It must be clear. It must be clear. Niehu esa ye obi dia.
Okay.
E obi ade a wosi.
Okay.
But oman no esusu say e bia sese de omo ye 1D1F na ye 1D1F na baako. So what you say? Say 1D1F okra o factory a omampani timi ba be so wasene.
Okay.
And as abani timi ba be so wasene. It don't mean say National Cathedral no is in the nature of 1D1F.
Okay.
So what you say ankankre na AC and oman na person so wasene. Then we know say in future oman no
National Cathedral.
You understand?
Okay.
These are all issues that right from the beginning. No, I declared I'm Ghana for the donor anti-Asia.
President Nana Adom Akufo-Addo, Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. These are questions begging for answers from Okotes. Say Mumaye Huno National Cathedral because if you say you queer nim ewo eye party a osene mam da ho e magana de hye ese ye hunu se National Cathedral no eye oman no agapade So manager pade dia eye de na ankrankra bi din ene ye de register. Se okwanya se de ankrankra bi din na be register, omo ye ankrankra ben, omo chefa wo Ghana governance mu ene say. A lot of questions on the National Cathedral. But happy birthday to Georgina AC Mate or your client service or the Multimedia Group Limited. Georgie, happy birthday, Enko. If Benjamin Shira no nyo kese, kopem se obeye kese pa. If I were kese kra evi, Yaminyo kese. All the best, wishing you all the best from Team Badwam. Yes, here we show happy birthday. Then happy birthday so Enko Andrews Boate, headmaster at the Kumasi Senior High Technical School. And birthday on the 8th of May. Yes, a Monday, yeah, and birthday. Mr. Andrews, happy birthday in advance. Fantastic headmaster. Yeah, wish you all the best. Nyami Enshana Onyo also kese. Kopimsa obeye kese pa. Hey. We are doing everything possible to resolve economic crisis. I want to so ni arishemu ewom GDA ewom with man Mpensenpensemu to dwa enra ewo mede you really say yes and request Ghana ko awonyehiem Ghana ko abra na akese ase but na by the she egu akwam to do everything humanly possible to make sure say Ghana asa get back to the road amesika sem eja na so eye doctor we ade betimi e ho atoso
say for the first time Mampeni Adel Kufuor Adwaja to say we are in economic crisis.
Okay.
So far now, almost dodging. We started even before 2020.
Okay.
From 2018, 2019, Udi NDC, young Comwechia, we started sounding the caution. Yes, shall say, I say, ye buying, and now so say, a buying. A kwanya wo faso no wo be kwakakopem those days na ka normal to yedin omo se mo ye naysayers mo de adepa bia ni ho amope yen ka de a papa all our people omo amote economy ase ene ho ne mani ade nyina they were all around suggesting alternatives kwanya be faso a oman ne yen konkopem.
Okay.
Sometimes it even got physical or parliament and the other. All because you per se you save on my own. And ne ye nyina ya hwedin
ye nyina
because
from the head to toe.
From head to toe ye nyina ya hwedin and now mampani na na do dan kwaku fo ado Dr. Baumia na be di akire omo de akwakopem.
Okay.
And ne minua economic situation no what they compare your Fourth Republic here. Ebia, your chef Fourth Republic nase, na a more den kakra no.
Okay.
That is where you can compare this economy to. Prior to 2014, krana.
That is 1991,
1992.
Okay. Sana the economy compare.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is even worse.
Yes. 91, 92.
Yes, this is even worse. And
moving from military regime to
yes,
a democratic regime.
Yes.
The economic indicators no way west.
Way west.
HN 91.
West. Most of the friends new records are MPP. Haiti in terms of economic indicators.
Okay.
It be as far back as 30 years. It be as far back as 20 years. And yet in our recent history.
Okay.
Prior to 2015, I ever call IMF no. Near my call IMF indicators and me call IMF no crano. And the indicators na west. Near Obroni Freno to say fiscal deficit.
Okay. Our 16th appearance at IMF.
Yes.
As against our 17th
against our 17th appearance. Okay. And no crana na on my no Ghana for occupy Ghana pressure and the Dr. Baumia Nam university to university Emma lectures. And then when your money are there, it is way better than sa economy.
Your mama there.
Yes, way better. And if you compare, not just say you can't even compare. You can't say fiscal deficit.
Okay.
At that time, fiscal deficit, and suddenly you call IMF, 16th IMF, no. Now a 9.4%. And the fiscal deficit now I hit 10%. We are talking about if you weigh me, you 2022 figures. I'm even looking at end of year 2022 figures.
Okay.
I hit 10%. Let's just say, yeah, budget new year, yeah, expenses are, yeah, income no, a bro sika yinyano so by 10%. That is what it means.
Okay.
So what I say, you do, sir, double digit deficit was an a check. Share a year inflation. And so say call IMF 2015, 2014, 2015 IMF.
Yeah.
Now inflation was around 17%. And now inflation and the year now around 54%. And the inflation no, I've lost count of it.
Is above 45%?
Above 45%. Yeah. Compare 17% to inflation here kwanya and nyama boa efa so ehwiri tentem. And on the inflation.
But at least you from 54%.
When the day could do 54, why are you clapping for yourself?
Okay.
Obi 17%, no. And Obi they call IMF no. So what I say? Now why I could do 54%? What take so mal 17 or less? What do 45? What say
amount on you
What say said the last week we buy kind. I said who Premier League.
Okay.
And our call relegation.
Yeah.
Who Division 3.
Yeah.
Now I Division 3 I could bomb match back no win. Now whole point Premier League 14 for someone yard.
Say be or say about.
So at your level.
Okay.
So
deal with that.
Deal with that.
Okay.
So what I say, it indicators are a mere core IMF at that time. Offer debt to GDP ratio at that time 70%. Almost say almost be that. Almost say yeah, epic. It didn't declare epic, even though you to me HIPIC support at that time because you're not qualified for HIPIC at that time.
Yeah.
Or mine you declare say HIPIC. Dr. Bamia, Alaji Bamia na ekeka sansem. And then as of 2022 end, me can't a necra there because a necra there you hit more than 100%.
Your GDP.
Your debt to GDP ratio. Ya ka ye deno. Eni omamu esika ye jeje ni ade nyina ye kan nyina bom economic activities a e generate ye sika ni ade nyina no se ka se ye de kwakwa kotua ye ka still ye ntimi ntua
e kan besa ho
e kan besa ka
mo am na betwa
let us nchirima eni ye buru kanagu amom. That is our situation now.
No, we say na picture ya painted there
no, I'm speaking to data.
I say o man ne ma de ye adwuma nya ho sika no
I'm speaking to data.
akose ye de kwa kotwa ye ka se
including human resource ne generate ni ade nyina ne ye ka se monton na mo fante ye kana e ka be kachiri
ye to e benya atofo
na why na beto akeni last week ya ba ha say no
okay.
Na ye discuss ye import cover ni aye ton nyama wa manone a ye de etua ye de balance na say aka 2 weeks or 3 weeks import cover. Now what it means is that your reserves
for now as we speak is almost empty.
It's almost empty. Yeah, IMF 2015 empty sao.
But we see
so that's here.
Mark,
it no oman pedin say you make progress practically no what again all year practically.
Okay, but say all the year to talk ye Steve IMF na ko na.
Yeah.
Conditions na na wo ye ho ama ye de ekọ ye no. Situation na all at that time. All the compare na the same.
The same.
Changes am I. Ye nya challenge bi to say COVID-19 abe ransake ye economy agi kakra de efremu Russia Ukraine war adrenien kakra ukeka we nyina that mean can say me dey say me nyina because enya factor
meaning sad discussion
okay
whether COVID influence it has been discredited. Yeah discredited sa reason
okay.
So what you say now on Penica says say yeah boy home the inflation free 54
about 45
no wako patanto kwano Russia and Ukraine
and to kwano munwie
wako patanto kwano Russia and Ukraine
but at least impact number form as compared to
about some years back impact number form you see COVID yakwa de agidi say COVID mum in the save or minor in 2020.
Sikasem.
Yes.
Okay.
Because what was the impact of COVID? COVID didn't impact. Ghana has said nipa hina ewu here because of COVID. Your preparation towards COVID no or minor kase mu sika he yen esika he de ko wrem. But yes COVID inti sika enya ye nia ye allow aban no man ko yi free ye stability fund mu nia special fund that ye twa ye e free oil mu de man no nia e free IMF buy ye nia World Bank de buy ye kika boom 21 billion
dollars
21 billion Ghana cedis. Okay, kabum 21 billion Ghana cedis. In terms of sika revenue portfolio, and that's a revenue envelope.
Okay.
Sika about manum just 2020. In just 2020.
Because of
that
COVID.
Because of COVID.
Not Russia, Ukraine,
but because of COVID.
21 billion.
21 billion.
That is 2.1 trillion cedis. All cedis.
Abaya.
Okay.
Abaya in a single year. And just such a massive injection.
Capital injection.
Yes. Because import IMF 2015 I acquired.
Okay.
We got less than $1 billion. Approximately $1 billion.
900 million.
Approximately $1 billion.
Okay.
IMF I acquired a sen on that. You destabilize the economy. Yeah. And you had from 2015 on Benya home for 2016, 2017, 2018.
Okay.
It was just $1 billion. COVID in T aban way enya close over $2 billion. Close to $3 billion I pay BCCA. COVID in T
within a year.
Within just a year. And now we are buying away nya sa niema we ni ade. And then I want to be fine.
Maybe no COVID impact no so chance na ye.
And that maybe say we impact na then Ghana we are talking to data. Oshe other countries amanfo ewu ene ho nyama ne ade a Ghana has say no dey important no mo ye and then because COVID kwamboti no mo sanje sika efri ye ho
and then the tax aban
yes
COVID tax
ebesi na egusu tua tax and then yes okoye test kra wa airport nso a na efri o na no so mo gi everything na efa apart from what any document omo chama omo party for di ye no
the venye party for
therefore what any document omo chama omo party for di ye we ye no because me COVID obi eno ho fidie me
ebia na wonye because basa
Ghana ni
yes onye Ghana but onye nkofa qualify for sa
qualify near the way it omo MB before na qualify for because me NTNDC ni bi o say ye bre na aduane bi di
but don't think so much say for party card beje.
Now, one tier a friend saying MPP, former vice chairperson, Northern Regional Kayana. Almost chair, obviously, can't say the AC or Sonokoso.
And we are different, but me can't Adriano. A chair can say for party card brands and
several complaints, assembly members. I don't know, ma, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at that time, ever suggested, say, a biano. And yusu ahemfo any assembly members and yes our distribution
near the party card
because people were complaining yes of discrimination yes so that's all minimum
okay
within every
locality
police state locality biano omunim omom ye MPP for omunim omom ye NDC for there was discrimination going on.
I did not come the NDC for no
oh there will be an case but also watch on my ande also ya be chain sika it would dey aduane dey ache wo dey ama women organizers say omo no aduane no omo noa no mo dia ba the reason why I can say open fair distribution you say ampa enya o party for na wo che aduane na mo go through the assembly members omo na community na you ahemfo no so they stand for everybody on him bia no bet na aka say ade a wo che no chema MPP for nko a
ba oba sek ha no mo boys no mo da under bridge no menyini so mo MPP na NDC bo mo nya bi die
Binte say obiara beka say yamano aduane ni bi largely no you know the reason why I'm bo kano
okay
Ghana for yam sure say hey it is sika say na ye de ewura sa aduane chain is because a lot of people say
as compared to Nipado and Ehwenim say best.
Yes, as compared to Nipado and Ehwenim say best woman. It is clearly no COVID the mumu na be save aban women winning election 2020. That is if aban winning impa. And you can't complain. You want me find share COVID no because COVID no e buy no one ko yi sika foforo bia en free baby and fa kwan koso COVID na no. Sika money became available to you. Wabreko ana hakrampo no ye nya impact na said na amanfo anticipate no. Africa has said no ya hye da nya impact no said na Europe amanfo ewu okwa ewu basa said they want anticipate ye say e ba Africa amanfo be wu rough no. We didn't get that. It no we then they compare. Then you come to Russia, Ukraine. Oshe edwadia ye ne amanaman edia 80% of your trade no countries are normal edi edwa no top 25 countries. Russia and Ukraine count. Russia and Ukraine 80% of your trade omo e normal edi dwa ba bia ye to niam free niam ye krefra ma no ne eba dodo no over 80%
Russia and Ukraine. Okay, but ye hwe we
it the day ntina oba beka say Russia and Ukraine and influence obreko omo ne Russia and Ukraine daily directly kwampu no they are not suffering the impact na o pese o paint that picture na pese o paint.
Okay, so it could be say Ghana and Russia Ukraine any direct trade ne dodoom se ne nye free other countries no, but the impact of baby e ko fa ne man de afi no almost reliance on Russia Ukraine. Now for example say wheat ne be fa na say be e fa direct from Russia, na say e fa from US, na say US for free Ukraine, na say okọ Ukraine no want me enya bi fa certainly one way or the other ne echo so ntini aba affect ye. Now wo hwe fuel production de be ma diesel echo so Russia eka amaudo anankomuma e supply we say fuel pa. Now because sent kwa esino mutimi emfa ma to the market nti ebe ma fuel supply no ebe short here. So Ghana maybe bia yemfa fuel free Russia, but baby e free no omuso form de end free Russia. So Russia that's one kwa when you definitely say Ghana ko baby okọ free na onya.
That is when you are assuming say Ghana nkwa na ekoho
Debbie.
South America.
That is it.
Yeah, other neighbors. Yeah, other neighboring countries. See, sa theory no Dr. Baumia a flaw sa theory no dada o. It's when a global crisis occur. Akwa say nso a eto. And tomu obakofo nkwa chances. So what I say, so when you are ascribing your situation to a global impact, you must also look at your neighbors. Because baby I say omakwa free Russia and untino ebia amane boa kosoro no. Oho na wo kwakwa ade na free enya nkwa na akọ ho. Enya say dwa no enya nkwa na akọ so. You are going there with your peers and your neighbors. Your economic situation no. Compare it to our neighbors. Togo waha, Burkina waha, Ivory Coast waha, Nigeria eben, Liberia eben. Why not air debt restructuring? Among these countries, you know, why not air Jessica to the sense that pension for Jessica Kramoji? Who is doing that?
Neighboring countries.
The neighboring countries. Why not air?
Omunina were affected by COVID.
Omunina were affected by COVID. And COVID in Ghana penna. Yeah, affected.
The impact na no dey change.
Impact no. That is what I'm saying. Provide data. And then the church say impact na no dey.
Because a secret there your fancy a kwen fa so boy ho ban no. Eti bi e ma your resources no komu more chance.
Resources bang. That is why I've said sabe you must show evidence. Or resources bang. When you 21 billion all count resources.
Say na wo dey call.
I na wo dey call
against the fear man no buy ya.
Exactly. Apart from that, in terms of outcome, Ghana for dodo ahe and a year infected with COVID. Compared to other countries. Na hwe. Say the beya ye kai beka say oh Ivory Coast and I say Nigeria omo no friends say because omo ntimi amom ho ban ye ni nti no padodo and the wu ye.
Okay, so at least ye ko say check na production team hwe na
these are very critical indicators ebe flow because Dr. Bamiaka say also Russia and Ukraine kontokwa na se efa wo Ghana ho a e den na che se emfa Ivory Coast ho e den na che se emfa Nigeria ho.
Okay,
so that theory no amode ko share external shocks and when I don't know I have already flawed.
But I say Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo Eastern Regional Chairman Dema NDC Amanyokuno Davis Opukwa Saike OPK in price of yani Atlas, but she will never see na mema OPK akwaba me ba ise OPK atrase bibia she ye
bibia boko
price
de edadin ja mini akọ ni abe PhD studio hasi
say the Eastern Affairs
my regional chairman ba ko pe see there both MPP and NDC regional chairman for nyina yakofo
yeah,
it's going to be a battle of the Kwawus in 2024. But
and yes, I say Kwawus mpese moji Eastern simunaso.
Oh, Debbie.
So that made it say
Debbie.
Kwawus grand scheme be.
Oh no.
Yeah, made it say si penny be na church. Yeah, and yes, the minister to make sure say even in opposition party bukurano the leaders no more can be a woman no. Ebe nkrofo me free Kwawu e na aba
no ade ageden no aye den amanipa mon ko bo foforo na aban no onam kwanso okofie
obige
minia kozi
TUC say ye turn National Cathedral into a national hospital. President so assure say economic crisis here you go through no. You do everything humanly possible, say, on mine. You be free. You can't me no emo.
Yo, me that's be brave. They didn't kind. My main fa kwenya na menchia ye dahwefo. The teacher ni one me from in price of constituency. Me chia obi biara. My main share free the economic crisis ayi wo.
Okay.
Me ba me tese me nua ne cancer bebre na nsem kikan ni mu no. Wo se de ekoso wo Ghana no enye no bi na wo mo etwa ye ho ahia no wo mo so ekomu.
Yeah.
Now this decision by government to even run to IMF no or create impression say it is only peculiar to Ghana. Na omo etwa ye ho ahia bebre no they are not even going through
economic say they all making inference.
No,
you are putting your own
largely
interpretation on your kindness. So. And asana wo fa.
Sana mtie.
Okay. There is an how far.
No we say menu ya ne hunu say. Nye Ghana pe. In fact, oko IMF for on website so April 5th, 2023. I say IMF reaches staff level agreement with Cote d'Ivoire on a 3.5 billion ECF arrangement. You can say, even Ivory Coast, neighboring country, no.
Yeah.
Almost wako IMF almost 3.5 billion. Almost Ghana, yeah. So clearly, the economic situation now, Ghana, no, and Ghana pay. In fact, that's why I call IMF Washington.
That's IMF World Bank roundtable discussion.
Okay. Mikobi. Now, clearly from the IMF point of view, no, a lot more countries have come to them for some economic relief.
Okay.
And it is largely attributed to, according to IMF, largely attributed to the effect of COVID-19 on local economy. No?
Okay.
And the Russian-Ukraine war. And so clearly, war affecting every sphere of life. They be American say, "Hey, someone in Ghana kasiye."
Yeah.
I dey brodo. For kasiye na free Ukraine eba.
Okay.
Iron Ross, I disidan a man for disidan. For kasiye na free Ukraine Russia eba.
Okay.
Ye petrol fan ho a ye dey adwuma okromu ase a bi de faka ne machines any nyama nyina. For kasiye na free Russia, be free Russia eba. So clearly, once there's conflict in these areas now,
okay,
it affects production, even the value chain of a union. It affects it. And now, sa ahokyere kese abeto ye man so a ye it is so man peni e ka se ye dwuma se be ya amanfo mban han won mo a o hwe aban into ya wo de to wo covid is sorry ye ne IMF Russian Ukraine war is sorry ya ma isikasem eye menya kakra yi aban hye wo de ato wo ene IMF penifo akodi nkomo ye pe kwan ye betimi nya $3 billion e de be share local economy. Clearly it's an indication say government is on its track. And and yes, surprising say uko any IMF World Bank meeting bia omo bo Ghana abaso e wo measures are taking to get out of the economic difficulties yakumo. But that said, economic difficulties government continues to deliver.
Okay.
And then free SHS, despite the challenges I hearing now, Akufo-Addo aban no ahye say free SHS nya there ye dey sabeka. Unlike what the NDC went through omoko IMF no.
Okay.
In fact, say NDC na wa aban mu a and o ma implement policy say free SHS a and omo pre-pace ka say na ebeko IMF a. Enka by now omo twa free SHS because they have track record. Show me track record. Yebeko IMF policies bit say teacher training allowance, nursing training allowance. We na na ye proper policy and this so nkofo asene nkwala asene omoko school nyina. And this by ye twetwetwe ni na em.
Okay.
Omo kire omo a ye yes ye kope IMF. Omo training na em. Eti kakra meka say yes. The government that appreciates say we are in difficult moments and it will get us out now. Any Akufo-Addo aban. And I think they have been very sincere with the Ghanaian people, especially measures are yet taken to get out of the economic difficulties.
Okay.
So
now the issue is, Amama Odo Eche Nweshi Anso Ako IMF.
Yeah.
COVID ebae. As a government amount about 21 billion Ghana cedis. If it's me, I can the same thing about Amama Eche Nweshi. And more monsoon sakan.
Of course, I mean COVID in the bay, you know.
From
international organizations.
Yes.
Yes, COVID by you know, and other countries were supported.
Okay.
And yet Ghana people.
Yeah, but were they supported with that quantum, with that amount?
Yes.
Did they got even part of it?
Well, I have not researched into it, but I can tell you, say, the IMF did not only support Ghana during those difficult moments.
Yeah.
Of course, Benya Sinyebi.
Yeah.
It you know, Ghana, Benya, as in other countries, but Obienya some level of support.
Okay.
And
but COVID na ebae no. Or how ya edebre ye uyi nipa efri mu a. Ene sika yenya. Ufi se o senke bedu baabi a yedri.
Na make say COVID ne bae no. I mean create a scenario bin sure.
Okay.
For instance, over budget there are two components of a budget.
Sure.
You have the expenditure side and your revenue mobilization side. Expenditure largely has to do with your debt management.
Okay.
It's why you could ya and any man.
Okay.
Adia bakuswe di esika pa kese eye aketua a buying a chicha and any man.
Sorry.
Now can you imagine say COVID by no adwumayefo bebre kotena fie okay ya adwumayefo bebre anko adwuma
okay
but one thing that say aban entuaka meboa because if you were to compare the expenditure na aban na one so people were being paid
okay
even to the extent say government needed to now find ways of paying for extra expenditures just to cover COVID vaccines.
Sorry. I think so. On fine chair na. So fama opike no fa enclare nemrimo kakra answer. It's a man for be the message about opike betwa na asem so every doctor me say dey apese obam na respond say see but
yeah. Now expenditure na aban but the revenue side in the name.
Okay.
And you could attribute me mommy say I use my mother all the time. No call Lagos pa. Ko fa nyama wo Lagos. E be fa ayi your friend saying Togo border yi at the back room ase. For a very long time she's not been able to do that again.
Okay.
Likely because her business got affected by COVID. But can you imagine say man na didja Otogo yi nyina ye close border yi nyina na se for. Wo nyina got affected.
Okay.
Now revenue and cause abainya from these borders omunyema omude ba echi omudi tua ene to omutue nyina wo ho no abain ensan kasa ne mani nyina.
Okay.
So that's it. That affected the revenue mobilization of government. But governance needed to go on. People needed to be paid. We needed to buy vaccines. And yeah, ain't you know, so it's kind of a bear mono. I am a full sika, and in your massacre, I would rob a bear mono.
Okay.
And no, I buy and they support too. Yeah. If anything, your budget, no.
Okay.
But you know, to be able to fund the expenditure side of government, buying vaccines, ensuring say, in Crawford, home better warm, and all of that, no. Ningina, no, yeah, dear, I buy a year. And to say that during COVID period, you know, yenya sikebina amwaya yanyuswa it is not the truth.
Okay.
Abanya sika no de koso okaze under the Ghana Enterprises Agency Canadian MBSSI.
Yeah.
Mama loans to companies being your minimum
individuals ne
juma wo munya support no munya support during that time na nko madwuma egu is me ekese. Etin hihye bebre wo ha ban de to dwa ene aboa dise be kasa bia sika beto mu na yamfa anya hwe na kese
okay
enye no kre.
Okay, my mission for message kakra ya ba we say kwesi. Good morning Chairman Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo. Thank you for visiting the Buakwa North for our youth program from Kukurantumi Presby Mission PK anyway by we say good morning kwesi. Please ask Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo, if this is the case for Ghana, why do they want to come to power? For what? This is NDC for you. Ousu Gabriel, Edia also Ede Ebain. We say greetings to Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, the Vice President of the land. In the face of such unprecedented challenges and adversities, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo's NPP government have rather been steadfast and formidable and forward-looking in striving to deliver the needs and other services to the good people of Ghana. Teacher Kujo Edwefri Tepa and Yinasu Ena Ode Epai. We say, I could see good morning. Please ask Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo that which of the neighboring countries offered free electricity, free water, hot meals for citizens, capitals for businesses, those who were affected during COVID. Richard Odro Echampong, and so dear, no. We say happy Workers' Day to all Ghanaians, especially Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, our next President of the Republic of Ghana, Mr. Adom, aka teacher, incoming assemblyman for Domi East. Okay, but also dear, no. Propaganda. You see, if you lie to Ghanaians, you continue to cough. Nana Right aside. Mark, wait 30 seconds be now.
Yeah. Me did say Minia OPK MP. Yet to send 2020 a COVID a buy no crown. A buy no ange tax. In fact, we share 2021 budget.
Okay.
That time no Minister of Secretary Minister Bonsu.
Yeah.
A command yeah our parliament. Or can say yeah Sikai DJ
okay.
Our tax mu a year 2020. Krumpo na COVID abado. A 55.1 billion Ghana cedis.
It's absolute figure in percentage wise. So they compare 2019.
What they compare 2019, it was as 2019. In fact, Jerry Boss Krumpo no eka say Krumpo LCD
target
expectation. Yes.
In 2020.
Yes, in 2020.
Now COVID war. Okay.
So because you see, Abino at the tax for fraud. Buy.
Okay.
COVID-19 tax. Any adina no ebeshishimo. So what I say, apart from that, we do not man for kwakotena if you know. There was reliance on technology.
Okay.
So what I say, omo airport data because people needed to be social. So what I say, there was substitution bebre or why okay yeah and untina amana impacted revenue no said they now omo expect some obenya. So what I say because then amount for more electronic transactions doors.
Okay.
You are also paying for taxes electronic transactions.
But doctor, free water, free electricity, yes, supporting small businesses.
I buy eduading. And then I buy India. Krum has said then I buy India. No trading, no attorney saying.
So there was nothing free.
Nothing free. Be bien what. Now say a year friend saying after 2020 I'm called 2021 how mudi e-levy ebania there ebisa wasam this were some of the issues are not mudi justifying it as e-levy ba as na yetua a year friend say light free yetua insuo free no person ko first can free he ba nyamba ni nyina no ewo
omo de boy bosia
ni nyina ehye tax ayetua num so te say na menua enyama ekoso ewo economy we mo.
Okay.
What do you say? Especially the telecommunication industry. One year within the next few months, Sabayan to me on sorry, I ye BBA. And Rebecca operator back telecommunication operator back.
Hey,
yes.
I didn't see.
Yes. Because so what to say self line. On one more on self line, they say because self line at the tower companies in the car at the end of the day, no. Oma a switch off on cell site If you Vodafone, Oma the can switch be 100 cell sites off.
And Dr. Yamato, oh no, we are former board member.
Yes, I'm telling you what
MCA.
is happening because say economy na na was rosro.
Okay.
It's manifestation. Say being school feeding ya greater crash chairman say omunya botro betray.
Yeah.
It is manifesting in every sector and I'm giving you for example what is happening in the telecom sector. I'm telling you what is happening.
Only one MNO.
Yes, because with him between January, because most of these companies, more transactions, in dollars.
Yeah.
So what I say, but service provide the money and so in cities.
Sure.
So what I say, me brother, what I say, because also our company provide the services we are 6 or 6 sikano at the dollars, at the 3 and vendors.
Okay.
So what I say, it is within 6 months. Now say, one now we are in charge of managing the city, because I'm here to say, city management, and you know, ejuma, I buy no also na ejuma.
Yeah.
It is city not depreciated to the sense, say, most of these companies they are unable to pay their liabilities. And then you tower company, virtually back American tower, back tower near. Po tenta kese na esisi na
red and white
and near mabo boss na no na telecommunication companies no omu use a omo de maye nya telecommunication service.
Okay.
Operators no e de dom car o maye o madwen se o bedundum ni nyina eh okọ na ko bisa se telecom operators yi sika so mu tua ba aban o mu ntimi ntua they are unable to pay. Your industries compound na the cash cow. Edema aban na aban to be sika. Etimi ye na eso oye ne adinti because of bad management, bad economic environment in the sa companies in the industry na egu.
Oh, but a doctor.
Yes, that is the reality.
Can't filing of their taxes.
Yeah, me kasika ese komu ye adwuma omunya. Number yes, and it is not about tax. For example, the regulatory fee, regulatory fee, for example, and it's not tax. Companies, international gateway license, they need to go and renew oni sika akwa renew and also na betimi ebo amoma obi frefra ma no ne ade a omutimi receive any ade. This is unprecedented. Ebi see that
but you see
so it is a reflection of the environment, of the economic environment team.
But you see that and it goes to a
honorable Kasa.
What the program is? What the program? I mean, Kasa program.
We are saying, say, yeah, can economy, yeah, can indicators are there. There are true manifestations. And near my ACC Kasa and Untino Mampani to me, Kojina. Baby, kase economy no ye also obey it impacts no real omo lose omadwuma. I have friends friends and valued other service companies. Okay, I fangu ene broadband companies are ye jade ma wom I no na anka Ghana for ene operate wo ho ene ni nyina agu ebi e de to say self like ho to say blue eka ho. These are broadband companies. Homo de na ka Ghana for and they operate because they say main operators ni nyina no do na aye amanonefo yeah ni nyina agu harsh economic conditions. Okay, this is not an economy you can boast of. When your economy so better ha ebo mabaso because ebia we MPP MP, you don't do that. Also betimi can be ama Dr. Bammi amoso ye risked on na economic risk, economic wizard that the whole world now my economy onimu de obi anim bi no onyina ne na so no pay attention to the economy. Okay, mun ya betimi de manwa tum okay and me nua ma me fa twato ya ma signal okay e ka say economy so no I responded to signals. Confidence amount for ewo mu ena meba omu de omu sika ba behim niti amount for bebre so eyi omu sika efri oman mu yi no ye kan say because nipa now or your finance minister na ono na all driver aban economic policy any ade no obi ani gidie wonimu. Okay, sebi no ton brother na nkate kura oman mu ha se kura no onye kenofori atani. Okay, and we told them say mo yi na firi mu a amafo benya gidie so aban na ye na dwen say opeso ko a different direction. Okay, e dia fa sika mara me show matemeda se Mark Oliver Kevo opike
many are okay now. I think it's an admission of what is going on in our country. I mean, nobody has said we have not gone through economic crisis. We have. The president has accepted it. The all can say we are getting out of it. Yeah. How? As at 2 months ago. Okay. Now inflation number 53%. Yeah. And then as we speak, according to the Ghana Statistical Service, inflation number 45%. Yeah. It's an indication that the economy is improving. It's an indication. Here, petrol, Eshutu kwa kodru and 23 cities. And then Atiaba
12.99, me 13.1.
Dollar. I mean, you can't dollar once a minute. Let me say, where I come from, a lot of my people deal in dollars. Okay. One got the fuel, what Cantamantonio, Kaishini, Nasifu in Nano. What most is $1 near the Kodija or China. Yababeton, okay. $80 years, I know. Me, I got the step, and that is why at a point we're even advocating, say, people should leave governance.
It's more just advocacy.
No, but I'm telling you, sir, I am directly affected. Especially my constituents are affected. It is if there is improvement, I should be the first to know. Yeah. If there's no improvement, I should be the first to know. Yeah. And if there's something that I need to say, for the sake of those who voted for me, I have to do that.
That's what you have to do.
But I make a choice. What the president is saying, they are doing everything humanly possible to revive our economy. It is true, because I've given you figures. According to the Ghana Statistical Service, we have improved from 50-something percent,
54% to 45%.
It's an indication of some improvement.
What practically has government done? And then practically na buy ayama sa we na ba. Because what catch and say Russia and Ukraine war and a move figures na up there. Okay. It is a say no tokwane jayana. No. So what you say? So when you sow the seed, sometimes and then Dr. Baumiane na Adom Mpensenpensemu. We need to understand.
Russia Ukraine war no. Baby a picky kodru ye no. Ye man ma peja kodru ye and e bi entisa bi. At first na OPEC ehun ne ho ano ehun kwa betimi afa so ye deal with fuel e free Russia eba no. and then they've been able to deal with it. I mean, it's also international marketer. Crude ne bono aba from as compared to time where Russia Ukraine war no start here. So certainly sa na we nyina beke ka bo ma aba be nya susanso e wo economy no eso.
No, it's a young man penny in the ABI.
So when you can't say
autopilot. A man is on autopilot.
And I can understand every day we have to do politics and try and score political points in Yama. But yeah, look at all this debt restructuring.
Yeah.
The debt restructuring alone, 86% now are buying to me successfully. No?
Yeah.
What it has done is that the pressure on the government to repay certain financial obligations, no,
So now, credit.
Oh, why is it not a credit? You are in economic crisis.
Yeah.
Your ability to turn things around, you know, that makes you a leader. Leadership is not just about supervising the sweet things that you find around us. But when you are in difficult moments, you need to be able to find a way to steer things around. I mean, that is why government needs to be commended for the successful implementation of the debt restructuring program.
Okay.
Meaning, you can say, government, a lot of the unnecessary expenditures, cutting off.
Okay.
So clearly, there's some fiscal space for government to spend. It is all better. I used to say, I don't think it is a proper thing to do. The government in itself is running the economy as if nothing has happened to it.
Okay.
As if nothing has happened to it. Yeah. What we went through, we should have cancelled free SHS. But government decided to say,
how much is free SHS a year? Almost can't decide the free SHS and 50% of a buying a budget. What percentage of a buying budget and a free SHS? MP, you can help us.
Minuano.
Oh.
Kodekofa budget. 2023 budget na abaye.
Okay.
And you see say free SHS alone. Free SHS running free SHS alone.
Okay.
You need over 2 billion to be able to
2
run.
billion cedis.
Yeah. I mean to be able to run
compared to a buying revenue. I will be now 2 billion.
Oh. Now make sure say a buying revenue now what come as
Okay.
If you pick government's expenditure payment, payment of allowances, salaries, Ghana for
compensation.
Compensations, no. And 2, servicing of your external debt.
Yeah.
These are the 2 components that internet ama projects be brian was buying to me here. Nina no to say a story. But for me, the proper policies, the very components I me bois, I mean here for who to a bank decided not to touch it. No.
Okay.
That for me is a plaza. Igne was here to me bo Omampeni na na do danko Kufuado abaso. Unlike the NDC, woman no omukwa ahunye mu kakra bi no. The hu ye ne say free teacher training allowance na yetwam nursing training allowance.
Okay, but unyene se bi eno ntina ya nkosa ahunye to the extent say domestic debt exchange. Say your doctor so be and say your him say the fees and maybe we betimi exceeding offer me exceeding off and find more yanka say who buy a year.
Well, there are certain things you can see off, and I think government did that.
Okay.
By cutting down on the expenditure.
Okay.
Of more.
Okay.
But the most important thing is a proper policy like free SHS. Me, I will not support government in cancelling it, and I'm happy to say Omampeni Kufuado decided say he will stick to it. But that said, we are getting out of it, and the Ghanaian people should have that courage and confidence in the Kufuado government. Say, we will surely get out of it.
There is Opoku Ansa, a member of Parliament, Malaysia War in Praia in the Eastern region. Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo, NDC, Eastern region chairman.
We don't want. Hey, for 400,000.
400,000 a day lunch. Matia cheap walking and crack project.
Ghana full.
I said budget is over 3.2 million. 3.2 million. We will not buy this.
Okay, yeah, but we see you. I'm not watching that. I'm for